Hello everyone, my name's Mike and here at Tech Commune we uncover tech at home and in video. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, but today I'm going to give you my first impressions of the new MacBook Pro 2020 as well as do an unboxing. So let's uncover it right now. So let's crack this open. So we've got the little tab just up here. We'll go into the laptop in a second. So first of all, we've got the USB Type-C cable. This is a 2-meter cable. And we've got some instruction manuals. So we've got some silver or space gray stickers. And then we've got the 61-watt charger as well. So we've got the laptop just over here. Let's peel it. Nice. Oh, I've already put some fingerprints on that. That looks beautiful. Let's open this up. I've just received this MacBook Pro and the design is very familiar from last year's model. Now it is a little bit thicker and a little bit heavier than the 2019 model, but genuinely I didn't notice a huge difference between the two. The screen is still as gorgeous as ever, even though it is pretty much the same screen as we've seen in the past few years. It displays the wide P3 color gamut, it has the 500 nits of brightness, and it is a resolution of 2560 by 1600, so a very good PPI at normal viewing distances. The spec I have here is the £1,800 model with no additional upgrades. So this has the i5 2GHz Intel processor with 16GB of LPDDR4X RAM clocked to 3733 Hz, and it has the 512GB SSD. Now I will be doing a full review once I've spent a little bit of time with it, and I've also got some really interesting comparisons too, as I know that you guys absolutely love them. So be sure to drop this video a like and also comment down below on what you want to see and I'll try and include it in the video. One of the major updates to this model as well as the base models is the Magic Keyboard. Now I've had a bit of experience with this keyboard from the MacBook Air 2020, and if you are looking at this or the base model, then go ahead and buy it. The keyboard feels really nice, and on this particular model, the touch bar is really nice as well. Now I know that some people hate it or find it useless, but I think it's quite nice. The thing is, they were a little bit glitchy, so it'll be interesting to see if the touch bar has got a little bit better reliability than the previous years. This model has 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and that's awesome. The thing that I love about it is the fact that I can charge this laptop from either side and it still leaves me with 3 ports to maximize the devices that I can connect up to it. I will leave a link in the description below of a good affordable dongle and also my personal dongle. So if you want to check those out, please check them down below. I haven't used this laptop for very long, but it feels really snappy and responsive, as I would expect from a 10th gen i5 processor. But I also can't wait to see how it performs under load and see how Apple handles the thermals of these new 10th gen processors. I'm also excited to see how this handles video editing. So I will, just to let you know, be doing a separate video for those interested in that particular task. So I'll be doing things like stabilizing clips, tracking objects and stuff like that, just to see how the general flow is. From my initial impressions though of doing some quick edits on this, I think it will do quite well. One thing to mention about this new MacBook Pro 2020 on the £1,800 model is that it features 2 fans. So paired with the Intel 10th gen processor and the updated G7 graphics, I should see slightly better performance than, let's say, the ones found on the base models, as well as obviously the MacBook Air 2020. Trying out the speakers for the first time on this new model has blown me away. It is by far better than the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro base models. And the way that they've sort of got away with it is that it has this thing called stacked batteries, meaning that it allows a little bit more space in the internal of the 13-inch, and thereby having two dedicated speakers on either side, meaning that we should definitely hear much better bass and clarity on all the volumes. Also, in terms of volume, I've noticed that it's slightly louder than the previous generation, so that's also very nice to see. But as I mentioned before, this is just a quick impression and unboxing of this MacBook. So far, I'm impressed with it, but be sure to hit that subscribe button and have the bell notification turned on if you want to check out those videos. And also, as I mentioned, I've got some really interesting comparisons, so be sure to check those out as well. Drop me a comment down below on what you want to see, as I love hearing your video ideas from you. Also, check out the links in the description below to support the channel. If you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram at TechCarMoon. Drop me a like on this video if you've enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from me. Also, check out these videos just over here if you want to see more of myself. Anyway, everyone, stay safe, look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.